Hi guys, welcome to Titostutor Your Math Pedagogue. In today's video, we're going to be solving some 11 plus questions together. Let's solve this question of quantitative reasoning, number patterns. Is just to reason out certain number patterns and fill in the table. So it's question 13 we are doing today, and it says the following table shows a pattern of numbers: the first number, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth number. So it's a number pattern. Look at this. The first one here is 1, second 1 plus 2, third 1 plus 2 plus 3. Can you see the progression? That means this will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And this is 1, so this is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 6. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is what? 10. Can you see? It increased by 2, it increased by 3, it increased by 4, it's going to increase by 5, and it's going to increase by 6. Increase by 6 here will be plus 6, which is 21. Sorry. It's going to increase by 6 here, 21. It increased by 2. 3 plus this 6, 4 plus this 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. So B is 21, A is this. Let's keep going. It's 1 here is 1 plus 3. So see the connection. 1 plus 3. Can you see? And here it's 3. So let's connect it this way. Yes. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 6, 9. So this will be 6 plus 10. Yes. And this will be 10 plus 15. Yes. And this will be 15 plus 21. Okay. So here is 16, definitely. Here's 25. And here is 36. So we keep going. This is 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. But 2 square is 4, not 5. So that means 1 was added. So if this is 1, this is 4, this is 9, this is 16, this is 25, this is 36. You can see how you reason it. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 5 plus 9 is 14, because 4 plus 9 isn't 14. So it's connected like this. Can you see? Then this is connected like this. So you just check what the pattern looks like. That's just it. If you don't do that, you won't get it right. Because if you do 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 9 is not 14. So that means it's 4 plus 1, 9 plus 5, and 14 plus 16, which is going to give you 30. So it's connected like this. Can you see? Then you do 30 plus 25, which is going to give you 55. And you connect this and this, which will give you 11 here, 8, 91. So E is 91. Now that you have filled the table, you can now go to the questions and ask yourself. A says that what number should go in box A? Okay, see A, one number or numbers. Can you see? So for this one is A, the fourth, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Those are the numbers that go into A. Then B, this is B, and it's 21. So one number or numbers goes into the box B, which is 21. So you go to the next question. What numbers go into box B is 21. Then C, what numbers go into box C? Let's go back and see C. C is 10 plus 15. 10 plus 15. That's for box C. Then what numbers go into box D? Let's go back and see our box D. CD, 36. So we go back and say for box C, it is 36. The last question here says that what numbers go into E? What number or numbers should go into box E? That's the last number. So let's go get E. CE. Last one here. We said it was 91. Okay. So here we have 91. So this is how to answer an 11 plus question that has to do with quantitative reasoning. All you need to do is look at the number pattern table given to you and try to reason out how each number in the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on are related to each other. Quantitative reasoning. Try all possible angles and be sure that the patterns actually relate and conform to what you taught, and you'll be good to go. All right. Here is another 11 plus question that is very interesting. It's a coordinate question. Okay. So question 14, it says the following section of a coordinate grid should be used to answer the questions below. The first thing I see there is a point A. Okay. So let's go find out what that point A is by reading 14A. 14A says that the coordinate of point A is 15, 18 in a bracket. Remember that our coordinates are written as X first and Y next. So the number that comes first is always on your X-axis. And this is your X-axis, the horizontal line. And let's call that X, right? And your vertical line is your Y. Let's call that Y. Okay? So we know that the coordinate of A is 15. So that means at this point is 15. And that's X. And your Y is 18. So you go up here. This is 18. So you have sorted that out. Then you go back and keep reading. It says that point B has not been drawn and has a coordinate of 19, which is on my X, and 18 on my Y. Add to it to the grid. So it wants us to plot a point B that has coordinate 19, 18. So one box represents 1 unit. So let's go. If this is 15, we're going all the way to 19. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 is here. So trace this up. Just keep going up, up. And it says 19, 18. A is also 18. So it will be on that same line of your Y-axis. So here is B. You have plotted the point B. That's how it works, right? So let's keep going. It says that 14B, point C is 2 down and 1 left from point B. Let's go. We are going 2 down and 1 left. 2 down, 1 left. Okay? So this is point B. 2 down, 1, 2. That's down. Left. 2 down. Yeah, and 1 left this way, just 1 left. So here is my point C. So I went 1, 2 down and 1 left. This is my point C. Okay, Then we go to 14C. Point A, B, C, and D, yeah, forms a parallelogram. Add point D to the grid, where D has the largest x coordinate position. So D has to have the largest x coordinates. So for it to have a largest x coordinate, it cannot go back, because going back this way is smallest x coordinate. Largest 19 for now. B has 19 and it should be larger than 19. But remember that a parallelogram has two parallel lines, no, not two pairs of parallel lines. So if this is a line, another line has to be here, which is parallel. This line and this line has to be parallel as well. And remember that the parallelogram has equals. So let's go. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. If I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So my D is going to be here. So this is point D. And if I join these points to this point and join these points to this point, join this to this, join this to this, I have just made a parallelogram. So this is going to be where the point is. Parallel, equal distance from this line. This must be parallel to this. This must be parallel to this. And for it to be so, it has to be on this line as well, and equidistance. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you get your point. Okay, so we have made the point D. How many lines of symmetry does a parallelogram? Okay, so that's question D. It says, how many lines of symmetry does a parallelogram have? So we can tell that it has no line of symmetry. Just come back and see. Join it together and check if it has lines of symmetry. You realize that it has no line of symmetry at all. So let's try joining it together. See this connected to this, connect this to this, and connect this to this. Not drawn to scale. So this is parallel, this is parallel, this is parallel, this is parallel. No line of symmetry at all. There isn't any line of symmetry. What's a line of symmetry? Line of symmetry is a line that cuts zero. Zero line of symmetry for that. A line of symmetry is a line that cuts a shape into two equal parts. When you fold them through the lines of symmetry, all edges touch. But for this parallelogram, it has no line of symmetry. We've been able to solve 2 questions on 11 plus exam. If you've learned anything, please share this video, like it, subscribe to it, and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.